Hi, I think that you're expecting Chef Robbie Schaefer, but he's absent. Well, actually, he got into a car accident, so keep your prayers for him today. But now you have me, Chef Gibby Rocks. Now, let's start off with the basic rules of making a Pooh Bear Rockin' Pizza with extra toppings of guppy. Okay. All you do is use these scissors. Okay? Use this bottle. Cut the bottle open. I'm going to ask my assistant, what is here? Assistant, what is this?
That's a waterless spot remover. I don't know if that would be very good on pizza.
Then we'll spray it.
Okay.
From pizza. Can I really spray it?
You can spray it on this.
Here is my pizza pod. All I do is spray my stuff on my pizza pod. And
That's probably good.
it smells like doctor stuff. Then you need to put it around the edges. Then you make a smiley face.
Why don't you show the camera your completed work?
This is right now the piece of my pizza. So then it
Show the camera.
This is what this inside. This is the picture that goes inside. Do you want any more? The people say yes. I'll put a little bit more on. Then it dries. Then you put a little bit more if you want. You want hair to do? Oh, I'll put hair in it, guys. Some eyebrows. Oh, you want a giant fish? Oh, I'll do a giant fish. Well, it's not. Well, it's more of a giant circle. Okay, everybody. Here, that's pizza crust. That's bad. So all you do, use the scissors, pop the can open. Can I really pop the can open?
No, it'll explode. That would be a
It
problem.
will.
Yes, it's an aerosol can.
So right when it pops open, it will explode.
Yes.
Well, my assistant just said, if I pop this open, it will explode. I don't know why, if you just spray, it won't explode. I have an itch in my hat, so everybody, my assistant will do the job. Okay,
Okay, as you can see, the spray has been sprayed amply all around the paper. And now we're ready for more pizza making. This is the shape of a pizza. Oh, we need a bigger one. All right. Let's use this one. How about a pizza this big? That would be yummy. Any other thoughts, Chef Nate?
Put some ketchup in. It's the red bottle.
Okay.
There.
Here we go. Ketchup's on.
No, Daddy, we need to cut some, then put it on. Daddy, scissors. Right here. Get it. Get little pieces, then put it on. My helper is putting ketchup on. Daddy, that's not ketchup.
Ketchup. Okay.
Oh. My assistant, while he's putting ketchup on. Don't you like him putting on ketchup?
Mm-mm.
Now here's a joke. What does a pancake do when it eats a bomb? Well, he brushes his teeth in the morning, then he laughs. Now, my assistant will do the rest.
Oh my goodness. All right, what else do we need on the pizza?
Let's see.
How about some elephant?
Nope. No, that's my squeaky. No, that is my squeaky sprinkles. Go get some cheese.
Some cheese? All right.
It's Leno, Karen. It's Leno. While my assistant is going to get the cheese, here's some jokes.
Here we
How
go, Chef. Does this mean I get to cut the cheese now?
Yep, you get to
What do I get to do?
cut the cheese on it.
All right.
Now,
Is that enough cheese?
yes.
There we go.
Now, put some purple sprinkles on.
Purple sprinkles. You got it.
No, right here. Right
Where are they?
there.
Oh.
Purple
okay.
sprinkles.
Purple sprinkles.
Then I'll go get the rest of the ingredients.
The what?
The rest of the ingredients.
Ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And one more. All right, we need more ingredients.
Okay, coming. Now,
What do we got now?
we put a little bit of our chocolate milk on it.
Chocolate milk on pizza. Wonderful.
Well, this is our famous recipe. Now we put this.
Okay.
Now
What
we
else?
put this all flavored Slurpees.
Broccoli.
Slurpees.
Slurpee on pizza.
All flavored Slurpees.
All right.
Now tell them some jokes while I'm giving the rest.
Tell some jokes.
Yes.
I don't know if I came prepared with any jokes to tell.
Well, just tell them random old jokes that you know from the 70s.
From the 70s? All right, why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
Now say some 80s jokes.
Some 80s jokes? I don't know any 80s jokes.
Then tell random jokes that you can make up.
Our pizza needs some more stuff on it.
I'm coming. Now put some, let's see. Ooh, it will go good with some more, let's see, I guess some ice cream.
Ice cream,
Well, it's
wonderful.
actually a smoothie.
Yeah. Okay.
No, put some
What's
more
next?
on, put some more on.
Okay.
A little more, a little more. A little more. Okay. Now put this lasagna.
Lasagna on pizza. Okay.
Well, that's not really the lasagna. That was the wrong lasagna.
Okay.
That is actually, I forgot. It is another kind of smoothie. Now wait, I need some juice on.
Some juice on. Okay.
It is flavored strawberry. Well, it's
Mm.
more. Well, it's not really that. It's more. It's a slurp flavored
What else?
strawberry. Put some orange juice on, and some orange pop, and then orange pop flavored
Okay. I think that's good.
Slurpee. Now we need some
Okay.
sprinkles. Then
Okay.
we need some more of the recipe.
No,
Then-
I think that's it, buddy. Now, why don't you come and tell everybody what we made?
But we need to put it in the oven. No, I will do that. You have to go tell them some more jokes. Put it there.
Where's the oven? No, come on.
I have to do the oven. Okay, just tell them some jokes.
I don't know any more jokes
Just make up some that are about pancakes and stuff.
about pancakes and stuff. Okay.
Do your stuff.
Here's the wonderful pizza. Doesn't it look just yummy?
Tell them some jokes already.
You know, did you ever wonder if vampires can't see themselves in the mirror, how do they make their hair look so good? I ask you.
Tell me the answer.
I don't know the answer.
Now I will make this. I'm making a new kind of pop. It's flavored chocolate milk. Tell some jokes already.
I don't know any more jokes.
Do some
I'm joked
jokes!
out.
Do some jokes. I will do some karate. And this will be 100 more seconds. Do it! Tell some jokes.